In this video, I'm going to show you how to send photos in TikTok message. Now, before we are going to proceed, I'm going to tell you ahead that it's not actually possible to send a message here on TikTok. There's just a way or an alternative way where we can do so, and I'm going to show you that one. So the first thing that we are going to do is basically post that photo. So how do we do that one? Just go ahead and tap the plus sign down here. And then what you're going to do is simply upload. So I'm going to click this one and I'm going to choose, say for example, this photo right here. And then I'm going to tap the next button down below. I'm going to click next once again. And then instead of everyone here being allowed to see this, you can just go ahead and click this one and change this to friends, for example. And then what you're going to do is click the post. Alright, if we are going to go back to our profile, you should be able to see it here. So this is the photo, as you can see. Now you can go ahead and click that one. And then if you want to share this to some of your friends, you can just go ahead and tap this three dots here. So how do we share this one? You can just go ahead and select from profiles here. For example, I'm going to try this particular account right here. I'm going to tap that one. And then you can go ahead and write a message here. But yeah, after doing so, just go ahead and tap the send button here. Now, if you go back there to messages, I'm going to click the inbox down below. And then I'm going to click this particular profile whom I sent that one. I can click this and you should be able to see here the video or the photo rather that it has been sent to this particular person. And yeah, that's the only way in order for us to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.